Hello, and welcome to Blackhawk Technical College, Center for Transportation Studies. My name is Corey Grubner. I'm an automotive instructor.
And my name is Steve Jones. I'm one of the diesel instructors.
And today we're going to show you how to prepare for a lab setting with COVID-19. We do require that students wear a face shield into the lab, and we will be providing this to you, as well as a mask. We do provide surgical masks to the students, or if you feel comfortable wearing your own mask, you may gladly do so. The other items we have are going to be wipes and gloves that we'll be providing students as they enter the lab, and we'll be cleaning as we go.
Our goal here at Blackhawk Tech, since our business that we are training for is actually essential businesses, is to keep everybody safe. So whenever they enter this building or any campus at Blackhawk Tech, they are safe and feel safe. That way we can do our job and actually get out there in the industry. So let's go out and actually look at the labs in the shop.
Welcome to the Auto Lab. As you can see behind me, it's modeled after a real shop and real world environment. You'll be assigned to a bay, and that bay has a vehicle in it as well as a toolbox. The toolbox has all the tools that you'll need to do the job here at CTS. And I look forward to seeing you here in the Auto Lab.
Hi, welcome to the Diesel Lab. Our goal here at Blackhawk Technical College is to get you the skills to make you employable out there in the industry. We cover everything from front bumper to rear bumper, top of the truck to the ground. We also cover off-road, on-road, light, medium, and heavy duty diesel. You do not have to supply any of your own tools. We supply those for you. So hopefully I will see you here within the Diesel Lab at Blackhawk Technical College.